What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I know I have not posted a video in a while. I'm so far behind on videos, and I got busy with the summer this year, and I'm doing the best that I can. So I'm going to try to get these videos out in a more timely manner than I have been. I'm going to do my best. But anyways, so today's video, what you're going to see is me getting all the framing up in my garage. So this project is still ongoing. We're coming along great. There's been a lot of work that's been done in here, and after today's video, what you're going to see in the next video is you're going to see basically a once-over of the outside and the inside, so you can see where we're at up to date as of September. So we're in the end of September now, but a lot of things have been done since then. I have floors in now, I have drains in. I did this all by myself, all the framing, and you'll see it was hard for me to get into some kind of groove. I felt sometimes it was just taking too long, trying to hold up one side of the board and nail, and then hold up the other side, make sure it was level. But we got it done. It didn't take me as long as I thought it would, and it looks good. And we'll move on to the next step. We got to get wall panels up still, so we got plenty of work to do. I hope everybody's getting something out of the videos and is learning something from it. And if not, if you got any questions, you know, always drop them in the comments section below, and we'll see you on the next video.